In the world of jewelry manufacturing, where craftsmanship meets innovation, 3D printing has emerged as a revolutionary technology, reshaping traditional methods and opening doors to new creative possibilities. Initially adopted for prototyping and custom designs, 3D printing has now evolved into a mainstream tool within the jewelry industry, offering unparalleled precision, efficiency, and customization. One of the most significant advantages of 3D printing in jewelry manufacturing is its ability to create intricate designs with utmost precision. Unlike traditional methods that rely on manual labor and casting techniques, 3D printing allows jewelers to design and produce complex geometries and intricate patterns that were once considered impractical or impossible. This capability has empowered designers to push the boundaries of creativity, crafting pieces that blend artistic flair with technical finesse. Recent advancements in 3D printing technology, such as direct metal laser sintering (DMLS) and stereolithography (SLA), have further enhanced the quality and detail achievable in printed jewelry. These techniques enable jewelers to work with a variety of materials, including precious metals like gold, silver, platinum, and even exotic alloys, ensuring that each piece meets the highest standards of craftsmanship. Customers are increasingly seeking unique pieces that reflect their individual tastes and preferences, and 3D printing enables jewelers to fulfill these desires with ease. Through computer-aided design (CAD) software, customers can collaborate with designers to create bespoke jewelry that is tailored to their exact specifications. Whether it's an engagement ring with a personalized inscription or a pendant featuring a one-of-a-kind design, 3D printing empowers customers to play an active role in the creative process. Beyond its creative potential, 3D printing also supports sustainability efforts within the jewelry industry. Unlike traditional manufacturing methods that often generate significant waste through casting and machining processes, 3D printing is inherently more resource efficient. It minimizes material wastage by building jewelry layer by layer, using only the necessary amount of material required for each piece. Additionally, 3D printing enables jewelers to adopt ethical sourcing practices by using recycled metals and responsibly sourced gemstones, aligning with growing consumer preferences for sustainable products. Innovations such as multi-material printing and hybrid manufacturing techniques are expected to expand the design possibilities even further, allowing for the integration of diverse materials and functionalities in jewelry pieces. Furthermore, advancements in biocompatible materials are paving the way for 3D printed jewelry that not only dazzles with its aesthetics, but also meets medical and health-related applications. Moreover, the integration of digital technologies, such as artificial intelligence and blockchain, is set to streamline supply chain management and enhance the transparency of jewelry production processes. AI-driven design tools can analyze consumer preferences and market trends to generate design concepts, while blockchain technology can verify the authenticity and provenance of gemstones and metals used in 3D printed jewelry. Next time, when you're planning to buy a jewelry, please think about this printing option as well. Thank you for watching this video to its entirety. Please subscribe to watch more such intriguing videos.